I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name.
Come. Really nice place here. I found this place on a app, camping app, where you can share your spots that you find, also where you can find water, where you can throw your toilet, where you can find power, gas, whatever. So this is really a crazy. It's not focusing. Why? Maybe it's too far. Now, yeah, good. There's the parking. Yeah, it's not really a parking area, but it's just a really small village, maybe 500 people living here, or I don't know. So remember me on my childhood. So, and it's really in the middle of the fields. There's a small, I don't know if it's a lake or just something small, with some wildlife, but it's really in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the fields, the cornfields. We have a really good driveway here to the spot. At the beginning it's a bit stony and with some big holes, but here, yeah, you can see it's really like what camping means for me. When you in the middle of nowhere, nothing is around. I mean, of course, usually now I need some groceries, but yeah, I have enough. I just stay here the day and overnight. There's also no signs that it's not allowed, and usually I didn't want to make a video, but I guess, like you can see, I guess I checked on my app and there's a big thunderstorm coming, but later in the night. And yeah, I try to make maybe a cozy capturing the storm, and yeah, exploring a bit this year. Also Ava enjoys this. Yeah. So let's see what is around. Oh, it's a nice field. Oh, some birds. Yeah, she's catching everything. So yeah, maybe I just make a video with some nice shots. I try to put some nice music in. Maybe I don't want to make too much talking and stuff like this, because usually here is nothing around and I don't know what to say, when I'm honest. And I also don't have a plan, because I was not planning making a video. So I try to make some peaceful captures, and then maybe, let's see, I put in what I have and what I found, and then I don't know how long the video is, but yeah, let's see. Peace.
They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, a place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Nice. The van is here. So like I said in the video before, I really want to make a video about the van, but you can see it's painted and with some company brand logos, because the reason is it's basically not my van. I rent them long term, so like in a abo for 1 year, and after this I have the option to buy, and also you get a part of your money you get back when you buy them, when you buy a van. So that's definitely an option. But and for the questions why I'm not buying a van or why I decided to rent a van, so I know myself, usually I have a lot of things that I want to try and where I'm super hyped for, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, and then I say maybe it's not the right thing. And then, for example, you buy a van, it's super expensive, you build them, and then your plans are different, and then you have to sell them and you lost a lot of money. So I rent them for a year. I pay monthly, of course, a high rent, but for this everything is included except the gas and of course the water, and to throw the shit and to old water, and yeah. But after this I can buy the van if I want. But yeah, I was thinking long time which decision is the best. So I decided to rent them first for long time, full-time living, and then after the year I can decide I go back in a normal life or I buy the van. And then for sure it's way cheaper than have these rent rate. But for this everything is included. I don't have broken my brain about about inspections or whatever, because everything, that's the part of the company. They make this, they're doing this. So yeah, but I make later a video. I mean, it's a Grand California from Volkswagen, so it's a 2023 model, so now it's around 1.5 year. It's 50,000, I guess, yeah, 50,000 kilometer. So it's more or less really in good condition. It's new, and yeah, it's just a Grand California 600, not the 680. The difference is the 680 is 6 meter and 80s. The 600 is just 6 meter, so 80 centimeter less space. But I guess they built this in the same way, just the bed is flipped, not that you have the bed from side to side. On the 680 you have from the back to the front, so then you have more space when you are taller than one. I guess here it's 150, 158. You can sleep perfectly. I'm 184. Yeah, and in the 680 it's, I guess the bed is 2 meters. So when you're taller, then I guess you need the 680. Yeah, and so there's one interesting thing about the van. So usually when you buy a van and you build your van, then definitely you need a solar panel on the roof, because yeah, you need power to charge your stuff. And so the only thing what's missing, it's a solar panel on the roof of the Grand Cali, and that's a bit annoying, because of course make no sense to build a solar panel on the roof, because it's not my van usually. So, and I don't want to spend 2,000 bucks and then I have to give it back. So what I have is a solar panel like this. I always put this on the back. I mean, it's not the same, and honestly you just have a few kilowatt of power that you earn here, but it's better than nothing. And yeah, I always thinking about better decisions, how to change this or to find another solution to make this better, because of course you can leave this outside when you're when you're leaving the van. You can leave this in the city. You always have to build this and then remove this, and yeah, it's a bit annoying. But so far, I mean, I have a good power station with 1500 watt, so it's a lot. In my case, it's enough for, depends, 6 to 10 days, and I recharge with driving, or I recharge also with the power station where you can usually charge your car when you have a electric car. But I can make a video how I do this later. So yeah, but that's the only thing what is really missing, the solar panel on the roof. But yeah, at the end you always find a way to build the way. And yeah, so far it's good, but I really want to make a video about this, to explain step by step. But I guess, yeah, this is then a long video, so stay tuned. Like you can see, the storm is coming. It's starting to rain. Ava is relaxing and enjoying because it was super warm. It was 28 degrees. This was really not nice, and now it's getting a bit fresh air. And the storm is coming. Also there, in this direction, you can hear the thunder. I don't know if the mic is picking this up, but you can hear it. Wow. It's really cozy. It's a nice feeling. Let's see, I hope the storm is coming across this area, but I don't know. Let's see. Also, I'm starting to prepare the food. Today's potatoes, some onions, some eggs, nothing wild. Wow. Maybe it's getting a tornado. Ooh, look at this. Let's go. Oh, this is getting cozy. Yo, inside the van. I guess there outside is something like a wild boar or a beaver, or I don't know, a raccoon. I heard something, and Ava is also barking. She always sitting on the driver's seat. But she don't have a license, so. Oof. Long day, but nice. Let's see.
so, ja, also das Übliche. Was nehme ich? Oh Mann. Ist das gleiche, bis auf den Buggy.
Wow. The first rain, I guess the first big cloud. It's more or less, oh cool, there's a big bird. The first cloud, the first rain is done. I mean, it's just still a bit raining, but I guess around 10, I see this on my rain app, there's coming a big storm. Maybe like this. I don't know if you can see this, but this cloud, looks intense. So let's see. Then we in the eye of the storm, like a tornado hunter. Oh yeah. Holy boy. That's the cloud. This one. Man, looks big and fast. Let's see. I mean, usually there are no tornadoes in Germany, but haha. Nice. I mean, not nice, but definitely crazy night. Oh yeah, the storm is back. Whoa, crazy. Shoo. Now also the wind is coming. I guess I have to close the van shortly because the rain is coming in. Wow. Unfortunately, we can see nothing. But it's really changed from 0 to 100 in a second. Wow. And it's super windy. Ah, Jesus. There's a massive storm. Massive. It's around 10:30, so I wake up early. Yesterday was really cozy, but the storm was not like expected. So there was thunder and lightnings and rain and windy, but not. I guess was not in the middle of the storm. I guess they changed the direction, but still was super quiet, was super nice, was cozy. Yeah, today it's a bit cloudy and way much colder than yesterday. Sun is just sometimes there and then gone again. So I just go for a walk with Ava and then we're going back to the city. I guess that's for the video, and hope you have a nice day. See you on the next adventure. And yeah, I really have to find out some big adventures, but sometimes when you just have between the work some days off, it's hard to find all the time adventures that are not super far, because yeah, I don't have this time to travel for weeks. But let's see, adventures are coming. Peace. She was taking a bath in shit, I guess in fox shit. So she got a shower from our outdoor shower. Oh, not happy.